Why are you still lugging around that bulky charger? Meet the Anker Mag-Go Power Bank. At just 0.58 inches thick, it's pure magic. Why wait ages for your phone to charge? This bad boy gives you 15 W ultra-fast charging, from 0 to 50% in only 51 minutes. Boom! Who wants a power bank that feels cheap? The Mag-Go combines a matte finish and sturdy metal frame. Ergonomics? Yup, it's a game changer. Tired of running out of battery on the go? With a 10,000 mAh, you get 1.8 full charges for an iPhone 15 Pro. Perfect for travel or daily hustle, fam. So what's in the box? You get the Mag-Go Power Bank, USB-C cable, and warranty. It's time to level up your charging game.